How's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna do some chisel grinding on these Kiridashis. So here we go. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the shop. Been a pretty good day for me. I got the oven tuned up. On Saturday I put a liner around the bricks, but I could still see the glow from the oven. So today I put another one. I had to order a second one, and I put it on the door so they'll kind of combining into each other. And it seems to be working a lot better. I got it all tuned up. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see my daily progression with my knives, my ovens, and all that stuff. If you go to my website, you can get a shirt just like this. Affiliate links down below. Like and subscribe, but let's get on this. I want to do a chisel grind on this Kiridashi. Well, it's kind of like a modified chisel grind because I'm going to bring one side up flat just a little bit. Not to the middle, just a little bit to one side. And then I'm going to make a bevel on the other side. I'm left-handed, so I've got two that are 55. You can see I already surface ground them. I put them on my surface grinder. The ones that say 55 I'm going to use as a prototype. I'm going to do it left-handed since I'm left-handed, but the others I'll make right-handed and they'll be up on my site. Alright, let's get these all dikemed up. Alright, I've said this before many times, but a lot of times I like to mark the back to get it straight before I go ahead and mark the front. But let me see. Yeah, I'm going to hold it like this. So I want to mark just this one side. Now see how low that is? I'm just going to bring the flats up just enough. Just a little bit. Just to give it that kind of plane to come down. And then the rest I'm going to chisel grind down to it. To the grinder. This is a Warren 36. So there is no break in the 90s. I'm just going to bring it right to the line and hang this over so we kind of come out here. And that'll be it for that. I just wanted one flat grind right straight down to here. Maybe a little bit of a slant, but not much. Then again, this is a prototype, so I'm kind of winging it. Here we go. I gotta go put some water in the spark bucket. Anytime the water gets low, it gets kind of like dry in there. Every time I touch this, I get a static shock. Alright, I always put a little bit of dish soap in there. That when you dip the blade, anything that's like floating on the top won't stick. I learned that one from Niels Vandenberg with all the other tips. Back to grinding. A bit more difficult, but I just gotta be patient and bring it up. I'm gonna bring it all the way up, kind of round it out. So that's about as flat as I want to keep it on this side. Now I'm going to bring this whole thing down and chisel it. Just make a bevel straight down. Let me go get it. Let me go mark it. We'll just keep it right to there. Now these are beat up calipers. I've actually got a link to beat up calipers and good calipers in my description. Always keep a beat up pair for marking stuff in your good ones for when you need precision markings. I'm just going to get these 90s kind of broken and then put in a good 36. Alright, let me go get a new 36 and stop burning my hands. By the way, if you watch my that last video where I did the Skinner with the 1x6 and I told you I bought those Cubitrons, they barely lasted one blade, so yeah, I don't think I'll buy Cubitrons again. But check them out for yourself. Maybe you'll like them. I don't think for almost twice the price they're twice the belt, but a lot of people like them, so. I forgot how hot stainless steel gets, how fast and how hot it gets. You have to dip it, dip it, dip it. Now I know why Steve Miller made that whole wet grinder. Woo! Woo! Man, that's a tough grind. Sorry, I got my earplugs in. Yeah, it's getting tough there. Woo! Nice and pointy. Yeah, look at that chisel. I don't usually do chisel grind. I'm gonna do a little bit more and then we'll go up to a 80. Alright, I gotta be careful. I'm going up a couple more grits. It feels like I already got a burr right there, yeah, so. Yeehaw! Yeah. Man, that thing's nice. Fits right in the hand. Alright, let me get an 80 on here. I'm just gonna do the 80, and then that'll be it. See, you can see this facet. So now I just have, I'll do this in real time. You gotta just bring this facet down. See right there? So that's your low point where you need to bring everything down to here. It looks like you need to bring this down, but no. Everything else has to come down to this plane. So watch this. See, it's coming down a little bit by a little bit. And you want to make sure it's all one plane. Just got a little teeny bit right there. When you flip it like that, you can see the facet flipping out. You don't want to put pressure here. It's like everything else. You kind of want to keep this lifted a little bit. No pressure. And you want to bring everything down to that facet. Yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to flip it in the light too, so you can see there's just a teeny bit left. Alright, now we just go up to the trizac. And, you know, I can already feel a burr on that. We gotta just make it all straight. There's like a little facet right here. But, you know, that's all make it, you know, that all comes when you go up. Alright, back to the bench. Whew, alright. I can smell that CPM 3V cooking up. It's on its second temper cycle. 2-hour cycles at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Man, whew. Anyway, I think I'm gonna hand sand this side so it blends as all one motion. Like the grind lines, slots and all that are just one, you know, one shine instead of like this side where the bevels are differentiated. So that way it just looks like it's flat. Because this side basically is flat. You can tell it comes down. But man, that's right off the belt. I have a hand sander, right off the A30. I went to put it up on top of my belt grinder and it slid off. Thank God it slid off this way because I caught it. This actually already has a burr. Here's some sandpaper. Let me see something. Look at that. That's right off the grinder. I haven't stropped it or anything. Woo! I think this is going to be a short one. Maybe I'll get 3 videos up this week. No promises. Most likely I'll just start on the handles and all that for the recurve and the karambit so I can get ahead for next week and have 2 videos instead of 1. Thanks for watching. Remember, shirts and knives. There's a couple knives up on my website. I know for sure this one's up there and this bad boy is up there too. I love the 2-tone finish in the stonewash. I've been doing that a lot lately. Yeah, listen to that click. Those are definitely up on the website. Alright, affiliate links are on my website so you can see all the pictures or they're down below. Man, I think we're what? At 940? Remember, this is a community, so we're all trying to build this together. Questions, any of that stuff, any advice, make sure to leave it in the comments. Let's help each other out here. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell notification. I hope you're having a great day, and as always, take it easy. Ha ha.